back. So we did start off on the cool side with a few clouds across the region, but as we put this into motion here, our tower cam time lapse outside in North Platte, we did see mostly sunny skies throughout the day. A few more clouds moving in after the sunset. That is keeping us slightly warmer. We had high temperatures into the upper 30s at North Platte, closer to 40 at Lexington, Valentine, and Thedford, 38-year high at Broken Bow, and low to mid 30s at Imperial and Ogallala, just a couple of degrees below where we should be this time of year. Here's a look at the current temperatures. So winds have gone calm in North Platte. We have fallen to 27 degrees, but still into the lower 30s. A breezy southerly wind out toward Valentine and Thedford, mid 30s out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. The cool spot out toward Imperial, Ogallala into the upper 20s also. Here's a look at your winds, around 10 to 20 miles per hour into the Sandhills. Mainly a southerly flow between 5 and 15 miles per hour as you make your way from I-80 points off to the south. But that southerly wind is pumping in warm air. It's the start of our next system that is going to eventually end with a winter storm. We're in a winter storm watch from Lincoln County points off to the north. This goes into effect midnight on Monday and then lasts for 36 hours and expires at noon Central Time on Tuesday. So be prepared now for some snow and possibly some ice as we make our way through the start of next week. Here's the band of clouds we've been tracking through the evening. We've become partly to mostly cloudy across the region. Just a light band of snow that started out toward Alliance. It looks like it did reach near the Ogallala, Arthur area, just off to the west of Valentine, but this band of some very light snow or some flurries is dissipating, and it's really not going to get much further off to the east. And as soon as we lose this band of clouds, we've got clearer skies as we make our way through the rest of the overnight. So high pressure off to our south in charge of our forecast. We do have this low pressure system. It's going to be our next rain and snow maker. It'll be here by Monday. It'll cross the Rockies as we make our way through the weekend. We got the warm front, so that's pumping in warm air, producing a little bit of snow shower activity, but there's that strong southerly flow that is going to warm us up pretty nicely over the weekend. So that high is in charge of our forecast, so we'll keep partly cloudy skies for your Saturday, mostly cloudy skies as we go through Sunday. There's that low by around Sunday at midnight. We're still mainly dry through most of the day on Sunday, but as it moves off to the east, it picks up moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and then deposits it's back on the cool side, which is the western side of the system. So it looks like on this map we do have some ice to deal with and some snow as you make your way into the panhandle. Still a little early to talk about amounts, but it looks like something is on the way. So Skycast shows that we do have temperatures near 30 now, falling into the lower 20s, variably cloudy skies overnight. Any of the rain or snow showers in the panhandle to start off Saturday morning will move into the Sandhills. We'll stay mainly dry across the heart of our viewing area from I-80 points off to the south. In fact, could actually see some sunshine with those highs in the mid-40s. And then we are mainly dry through Sunday. The Sandhills once again and the Panhandle, the higher elevations could pick up some rain or some snow showers, but just partly to mostly cloudy skies and lower 40s for the day on Sunday. And even into Sunday evening, we're staying dry, but an easterly wind is picking up. So that will produce moisture going into Monday. Let's take a look at the long range. So there's that low tracking across the Rockies with a lot of snow in that direction over the weekend. By Monday at 6 p.m., there it is. And this could be the time we do have some heavy snow and even some icing across the region. Through the day on Monday is the time frame that we're looking at. The low will leave and the snow will taper off by Tuesday morning. Then we should stay mainly dry across the region and just slightly cool. No more frigid air with this system. So a high of 45 tomorrow, lots of sunshine, mostly cloudy. On Sunday, a high of 42. And then we do have a weather alert day in effect for the day on Monday, as we will have a wintry mix of snow, possibly some sleet and freezing rain, and a high of 32. Any snow showers tapering off on Tuesday, breezy, a high of 30, then low to mid-30s Wednesday and Thursday, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, and up to 38 on Friday with partly cloudy skies, but dry through the rest of the week. Lindsay?
I'm looking forward to the warm-up to kind of get us into the new year, and I'm also really looking forward to that chance of snow, fingers crossed.
Yeah, low to mid-40s, not bad over the weekend. We stay dry, and then hopefully this isn't going to be a major system, but we keep our eyes on it.
Thanks, Justin. The New Year's Eve celebration in Times Square Saturday night will be back in full swing with no COVID restrictions in place for the first time since the start of the pandemic.